Hello there. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Texta, which is a way for an AI to write long form content for your blogs or social media or any of that kind of content that you may need. Now, don't forget, if you've got any comments, then please put them in the comment box below, and in the description you will find the details of the software, so that way you always get your money's worth. Let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so here we are on the Texta dashboard, and as you can see, it's a very easy to navigate dashboard, as with most softwares like this. Basically, you've got here the writing tools. Now, the reason we're in the writing tools is because when you first enter into the website itself, now, you don't have to put any credit card information or anything like that, and you just put your information and your email, and then you get into this section here. And what it does is it takes you through a little tutorial, a very quick tutorial, taking you through the writing tools and shows you how to write a blog very quickly. So it's a great little thing, and then it takes you straight into the writing tool basically. So I'll take you through that very quickly now. For instance, if you wanted to write let's say you wanted to write something to do with crypto NFTs, then you go English and English, and then you can literally hit generate article like that, and you'll see this little bird here will start writing your article. Now, bear in mind that you've literally just put a couple of words in there. But this is AI, so it's artificial intelligence. It will write a full article for you, a blog article. Now, think of the amount of time that this is going to save you. This is just absolutely crazy. This has taken, I don't know, about 10, 20 seconds, give or take. Well, maybe a little bit more, 30 seconds, let's say. 30 seconds to write yourself a massive blog. Now, think of how long it's going to take you. There you go. Perfect. Look at that. How to get started with crypto NFTs. Introduction. In recent years, crypto NFTs has become increasingly popular. Blah, 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 blah. What are crypto NFTs? And it's not like a blog that you're just going to be like, that doesn't make any sense. You know, like some robot things that you think about, they don't make any sense. This all makes sense. As you can see, look, the first step to getting started with crypto is to choose the right platform. There are a variety of platforms out there, so it's important to do your research. Even just writing blogs is absolutely crazy, because do you know how many companies are asking for, you know, NFT writers or writers of blogs or whatever? You could literally do this as a business. You can say, I will write a blog about anything. They give you the subject, you shove it into this machine, and then you just send them this, and they're happy with the blog that they received. Simple as that. So it's a crazy way to make extra money online as well, if you wanted to do that as well. But of course, if you've got your business already and you want to write blogs, because there's nothing better than writing blogs, getting a blog out there, getting your YouTube out there, getting all these things out there, all your social media, so that way you get more SEO and you get more eyes on the prize. Simple as that, really. Another great tool is this, and that is the autopilot. The autopilot is absolutely brilliant, because what you can do is you can put just a little bit of information about your company, and then it will create a whole load of content for you. Now, I'll be honest, it does take a while to do, and that's why I'm not going to click on it now. But you literally just have to put in a few bits of information. You click on the next one, it will create some content. You then click on the next one, put some more information, and it will just create lots and lots of content for you, blog posts and everything, a whole marketing proposal over a period of time, basically. So that's a great one as well. You've got your grammar correction there. That obviously corrects your grammar phrase. You've got your long form content, your product thing. So if you've got products on Amazon and you want to try and write a product description, you know, it will basically write that product description for you if you just tell them what the product is, essentially. You've got your PR, so if you want some PR stuff done. E-commerce, again, your sort of your descriptions of your products, that kind of thing. Your social ads, now this is a big one. There's always jobs available for people who can do social ads, because, you know, the Facebook ads, that kind of thing, it sounds easy. Writing a Facebook ad, you know, it sounds easy, but it's not, because you've got to get people to click on the right things. This does it all for you. That's the beauty of it. Startup tools. You've got the website copy. So therefore, if you want some copy for your website, you can go there. You can never be worried about having to copy. You know, I've had companies come to me before and say, okay, we did a bad move. We copied some content off of somebody else's website, and now they've found out. And then they come to me and they said, we need it all changed. So therefore I went in and I changed it all. But this was back in the day before this sort of thing even existed. You know, this was years ago, and I basically had to go in and I had to change all the content. I had to rewrite it all, and it cost them a lot of money to do, basically. But this, I could literally just run the details through the website copy. It could create something that's completely unique and original to me. I put it on my website, and I've got absolutely no qualms about about anybody saying it's copyrighted or anything like that. So it's great. Sales copy, same thing again. Your sales copy, you can literally write a sales copy for anybody, for any product. Email letters as well. If you struggle with writing your email letters, career things, if you want to write things to do with your career, let's have a look at some of these here. You've got your LinkedIn profile. So, if you're trying to get your LinkedIn up to date, your cover letters, that's one of those things that you think like, well, it's like, oh, do I have to do this? And this will write a, let's have a look, see what you need to do in order to do a cover letter. Obviously, I haven't explored every single one of these, so let's describe our position. So let's say customer services, okay? So customer services, describe your industry, let's say, online casino. There we go. Customer service for online casino. Why not? And the name of the company, let's say, what can this be? Name of the company, Palace Money. I don't know. No idea. I'm just writing random things. You've got your advanced settings there. Obviously, then you can use that. Have I spelled customer wrong? Yes, I have. Haven't I? Let's have a look. Customers with a U, isn't it? There we go. Customer services, online casino, Palace Money. I wonder actually. No, you know what? Let's just see what happens. If I just put customer, but I've spelled it wrong. Let's see what happens. So we're going to create. So here we go. So we're going to do it with a spelling mistake on purpose, just to see what happens. So and then you choose your favourite results, basically. So it's loading my results as we speak at the moment. So therefore, I will leave it to load the results, and I'll come back to you when it's done. So literally, as I said, I'll come back to you when it was done. It was done already. So let's have a look at the results that it's done. So I'm writing in regards to the open customer service position at Palace Money. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Based on the job description, I believe that I'm an ideal candidate for this role. That's perfect. First of all, that's the perfect first line, isn't it? First and foremost, I have extensive experience in customer service industry. For the past 4 years, I have worked as a customer service representative for an online casino. Okay, yeah, that's good. In this role, I have honed my skills in conflict resolution and problem solving. On a daily basis, I'm tasked with handling customer inquiries and complaints in a professional and efficient manner. As a result of my exceptional performance in this role, I was recently promoted to lead customer services representative. Now, obviously, it's kind of making that stuff up because you weren't necessarily promoted, but you can obviously delete stuff, you can edit it if you need to, that kind of thing. And if you want to edit it, by the way, then I believe all you have to do is just click on this little button here, and then that will copy it. So therefore, text has been copied to clipboard. So you can go into the editor over here if you want to, and you can edit that there, or you can obviously just just take it into your thing. So that's what your editor's for. You can add paragraphs, take paragraphs away. Let's just say we didn't want this whole paragraph in there. Obviously, gone. It's that easy. So that's what your editor is for up the top there as well. So not only can you take all of these things here, but you can also pop it straight into the editor and edit it online. So you don't even have to have Word or Office tools if you don't have that on your computer as well. So therefore, but there you go. So that was, wow, that was pretty cool. I'm pleased with that cover letter thing. I honestly didn't expect it to be as good as it is, basically. But then you've got your projects, you've got your account settings, obviously, all your details there, and your team management. Again, you can allow your team to access this. So if you are somebody who's got a big business and you want some blogs written, you want some of this, that, and the other written, you just get your team to come in, put the details in, write the blogs, stick them up on the internet, and you're good and golden. Simple as that. As I said, you can also use it as a way to generate passive income online. Anyway, that's it for Texta. Hope you enjoyed the review. So there you are, that is the review for Texta, the AI that promises to write anything for you. And I think you can see it does a pretty good job. And as I've said in past videos about different softwares, this is great because it also creates an online business for you for passive income. Because, you can easily put these things on Fiverr or Upwork or whatever, offering blog service writing, offering, social media ads, offering all these kind of things. Get the AI to write it for you. Even if you have to tweak it just a little bit, you've still saved yourself heaps of time. So I think it's a great software for that. And have a look at the upgrade plan, see what the prices are, and compare it to other softwares on the market of a similar use. And don't forget to use that link in the comments so you can get your money's worth. Thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next video.